Building AI agents used to feel like drawing a giant map of if this, then that. But in 2026, that approach can get complex fast. So the real question is, do you need total control or total velocity? Section 1, LangGraph. Let's start with LangGraph. This framework is designed for those who want total control. It's a deterministic state machine where you define every node and every edge, making it ideal for high-stakes workflows where an agent must follow a specific path or get human approval. LangGraph shines in situations where precision is key. You control the logic, memory, retries, and routing. It's the manual gearbox of agent orchestration. However, that control comes at a cost. The framework demands high engineering effort, a lot of boilerplate code, and manual setup for even simple tasks. But if you need complex, long-running research tasks or workflows that require absolute precision, LangGraph delivers. Section 2, Google ADK. Google ADK, a framework designed for speed and scalability. It's built for the agentic web, where agents can discover and communicate with each other autonomously using the A2A protocol. With Google ADK, you don't need to manually wire every connection between agents. Instead, you define card snippets, and agents autonomously interact with each other. It's a faster, cleaner approach that's ready to go right out of the box. Key advantages? It integrates seamlessly into Google Cloud Platform, GCP, and the Gemini ecosystem, offers built-in RBAC for security, and is ready for production from day one. But it's worth noting that Google ADK is optimized for GCP and may not integrate as smoothly with AWS or Azure without extra work. So what's the right choice for you? The decision really comes down to your project's needs. LangGraph is ideal when you need total control over every aspect of the agent's behavior, especially for complex workflows where precision and customization are crucial. Google ADK is perfect when you want to ship quickly, scale easily, and take advantage of Google's cloud ecosystem with minimal setup. Ultimately, both frameworks have their strengths, and the right choice depends on whether you prioritize control or speed in your application.